Welcome back, everyone. We hope you like this video. We had fun making it. We hope you have fun watching it. Enjoy. You want to tape it a little past halfway. Right, so this is about my halfway mark. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna tape it quite a ways on the floor. I don't want this to move, that's the key, right? Notice I'm using glue tape. Other tapes, because we haven't done a top coat, a flood coat, you run the risk of them leaving a residue. Painter's tape is awesome because it doesn't have real acidic bonding, and so that's why you use it for paint. It won't pull paint off a wall. You use Scotch tape on a wall, you're gonna rip paint off every time. And so we don't want to leave that same residue on an epoxy floor. And we'll pull it back to the tape, maybe a little bit more right there. And what I'm trying to do, and this is pretty vital, try to cut a pretty straight line. I use a fresh razor. I'm pushing pretty hard. Now, here's the trick. So right now it's up at a 90-degree angle. So what I want you to do is make it a little more relaxed. So bend it down where it's kind of flowing. Drop it down even a little bit more. And now, okay, stop right there. I'm gonna just go back and forth, and I'm gonna try to go in a straight line. Don't drop it too much. You wanna kind of work with me. So as I go, drop it a little more. I'm just gonna go back and forth. Notice I'm not doing this. I'm trying to make sure everything lays out. What it does is I push too far here, and because this transfer paper doesn't flex, it causes a crease over here. It's really annoying. So I'm just gonna go slow and take my time. So some of these bubbles, you don't know if they're under the decal or actually under the transfer paper. So that's why I don't focus too much on the bubbles yet, because I'm just wasting my time. If this is on the transfer paper, why am I sitting there trying to work the bubbles out, you know? Now, this thing's stuck on the ground, so I don't need this anymore, right? But the reason why we do a nice straight line when you're cutting with the razor is so when I pull this up and bend it back, this pops right off. If it's cut like this, I'll actually have a piece locked in the floor. And now we can pull, and here's the key. When you start pulling the transfer paper, you don't want to come out here and pull like this, because you're trying to force that decal off. You really want to pull against it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're always posting new footage, and also follow us on our social media pages. We're always posting customer installs there. You can see some really cool projects. And if you guys have some ideas for new projects, let us know below in the comments. Share this video, help us get the word out. And remember, Leggari.com has you covered.